Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. It is unpredictable times and unpredictable markets. Our team brings and reviews the newest and best crypto projects in the market. Today, we will review one of the best options to check it out and trade crypto with a new platform with best tools and best fees in the market. Trade anytime, anywhere. Get started immediately by downloading BONEX app. It's a portal to quick trades, real-time market data, and personalized portfolio management. Everything you require for a comprehensive trading experience is encapsulated in a single, intuitive interface. Get the lowest fees with reliable security, 24/7 support, and exclusive transaction perks. Welcome to BONEX. Here, your sling is revolutionary 0% fees, and your stones are your unyielding spirit and ambition. Together, let's write a story of triumph. Why choose BONEX as your best trading tool? BONEX, where David triumphs over Goliath in the trading world. Embark on an epic journey of empowerment. Welcome to BONEX, where every trader's journey echoes the legendary triumph of David over Goliath. In the colossal world of trading platforms, we stand as the beacon of hope for the underdog, the individual trader striving against the giants. Zero fees, a revolution in your trading arsenal. Imagine a world where your trading potential is unleashed, unburdened by fees. At BONEX, 0% fees isn't just a feature, it's our declaration of faith in your trading capability. This revolutionary approach means more of your investments stay with you, fueling your ambitions and dreams. A rallying cry for the everyday hero. You, the individual trader, are the heart of BONEX. Here, you're not just a number, you're a valued member of a close-knit community. We stand with you, the bold, the brave, the persistent, offering a platform where your voice is heard. Your battles are shared, and your victories are celebrated. Get the lowest fees. Enjoy the industry's lowest transaction fees and experience lightning-fast trades. Our platform ensures that efficiency and affordability go hand in hand, giving you the competitive edge you need in the dynamic world of digital currency. 24/7 support. We're always on. With 24/7 operational platform, we guarantee timely support and swift responses to your queries, ensuring you have continuous access to the pulse of the crypto market. Reliable security. Rest easy knowing your digital assets are safeguarded with security protocols. Our comprehensive safety measures offer robust protection against all forms of digital threats, providing you with peace of mind for your investments. Exclusive transaction perks. Transact more, save more. Benefit from our preferential rate structures and gain access to exclusive VIP privileges. Explore endless possibilities. Limitless exploration. BONEX offers a seamless entry into a world rich with digital assets, presenting unparalleled opportunities to explore and thrive in the cryptocurrency landscape. Navigate the diversity of tokens and trades with ease, expanding your financial horizons in an environment designed for growth. Empowered portfolio. BONEX provides a platform where sophisticated tools and innovative features converge, enhancing your trading strategies. Here, cutting-edge technology isn't just an advantage, it's your new standard, empowering informed decisions for achieving your financial aspirations. Innovate and grow. BONEX stands as a beacon of innovation in the digital finance landscape, steadfast in advancing the crypto industry's boundaries. Our platform invites you to access the untapped potential of blockchain, fostering an environment where growth and technological evolution. You can find all the links in the comment section down below and in the video description. Check it out and see you on the next episode.